up what'll turn you out if you buy the next round. Sweet sounds that you cannot place. Sounds that are stranger than a snowflake, sweeter than a cornflake cow, stronger than a steamboat, faster than a big rig, beat you but you don't know how. Yes, those sounds have a stranger's face. There's a guitar made of bone from the pelvis of an elephant, the bow for the fiddle wavers just a little, for it's sewn with the silk from the belly of a somber angel, all at the cost of a tear. And Silas is the favorite of the fans, but he is often absent for the ladies' hungry lover hands. And all together they will weather all the catastrophic follies known to man. Late one night in June, farmer had a change of luck. Well, he offered up his place to the boys in the band when they got stuck. What's mine is yours. Well, down comes Skinny Sarah Sideshow, and all the boys should soon well know. A Molotov cocktail later by a warm gale gave the place a rosy glow. Yes, those words went up in a mighty blaze. And to this day, the 31st of May, those ashes sift as if to say, this land will not heal, nor offer us a deal, until those boys are back to stay.
Somewhere between love and madness, I gave up all the sadness. Somewhere between right and wrong, I saw the light in your eyes, but it's gone. Yeah. When the sun won't shine and the words won't rhyme, count on me, 'cause I will be always, always, always yours. I will be always, always, always yours. memories of this thing we had. Somewhere between numb and brilliant, our love is so